Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make any PDF fillable using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's get started. First, open your PDF in Adobe. Now go to the top left side of your screen and you will see the All Tools option. Click on that and select Prepare a Form. Now click on Create Form option and Acrobat will auto-detect fields for you. Now check and adjust the fields. You can also drag it and reposition or delete if any that are not accurate. So adjust it in your way and once you are done, click on the preview button to test the form. Now when you are previewing, you can see the blue box is appear. So you can type here. And then once you are done with previewing, click on the exit preview button at the top right side. Once you are happy, click on save and name your file and choose where to store. And that's it, your PDF is now fillable and ready to share. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.